Thanks very much for staying with us. Let's get you a developing international update. What we are getting to know from Sudan, where the potboiler there and clashes that are intensifying, according to reports that suggest that Sudan's Prime Minister Abdallah Hamdok has now been placed under house arrest, along with a number of cabinet ministers and other officials, in an apparent coup by the still unidentified military force. And the situation there seems to be going from bad to worse, as there has been protests and clashes that have been reported from Sudan, where the pro-military protesters also had blocked major roads and bridges in Sudan's capital on Sunday, amid the growing tensions between the generals and the pro-democracy movement that has fueled the uprising against the autocratic former president Omar al-Bashir. So the situation seems to be still developing there, as Sudan has been on the edge since a failed coup plot last month that had unleashed bitter ties between the military and the civilian groups meant to be sharing power following the toppling of the country's longtime leader Omar al-Bashir. Straight away going across to Bhakti, who is joining us live from the digital desk there in Mumbai. Bhakti, good morning to you. What's happening there in Sudan, if you can tell us briefly?
Yeah, so we're receiving a massive development in Sudan, that the military officials have detained 5 cabinet ministers of Abdallah Hamdok, the Prime Minister of Sudan, and apparently the latest reports coming in by Associated Press saying that Abdallah Hamdok is also under house arrest. AP reporting that there are also phone and internet outages in the country right now. Let me show you on screen what is exactly happening in Sudan. And here we come that the Sudanese Professionals Association has also called the people to take to the street to counter this apparent military coup. And the association is a pro-military, pro-democratic political group, and there have been uprising so far in the past weeks between both the democratic people who want a democratic process and a democratic rule in Sudan, and also people who also want a military rule in Sudan. And the 5 ministers who have been detained is the Industry Minister Ibrahim Al-Sheikh, the Information Minister Hamza Balul, and Mohammed Al-Fiqi Suleiman, which is the member of the ruling Sovereign Council, and also Faisal Mohammed Saleh, a media advisor to the Prime Minister Abdallah Hamdok. So there are latest. This is the latest that's coming up from Sudan, that there have been a massive uprising. Both the protesters have taken to the streets, and the situation seems tense. For more, you can log into the www.republicworld.com. Back to you.
Bhakti, thanks very much for the details, as we are putting out the details also on republicworld.com, where you can actually take a look at those live updates, what's been happening there in Sudan, because we are looking at a situation that seems to be deteriorating, and what is being said that this is a move that has been made against Hamdok, and this is coming right after Sudan's military arrested several civilian officials, including cabinet ministers, the Prime Minister's media advisor, and the member of the country's ruling Sovereign Council. We continue to update our viewers on the same.